Hello friends, today we will see how to install Docker on Linux OS. So if we go to the Docker website and if we select installation link on CentOS or maybe the other Linux flavor, you will get the installation steps. So today we will see to how to install Docker on CentOS. So I'm already on root terminal. So first of all, we will set up a repository. So I'll just run this command. Okay, then I'll add this repo. Okay, now next this is okay. So we will install all these things for Docker. It will give you CLI, it will give you environment. We download all the packages and install it. And after that, we'll start the Docker and we will run an hello world image. So let's just wait once it gets installed. Okay, it is 30 seconds for this package. Yes. Yes. Installing CLI, installing plugin. So it's complete, guys. Now we'll start it and we'll run a simple image. It has downloaded a newer image with the latest tag and it is saying that hello from Docker. So that means our image is running. We'll see that. Oh, we have our images. Yeah, so we have got our latest images of hello world. So this is how we can check Thank you, guys.